Are we alone in the universe? Or is someone out there watching us? For thousands of years, humans have been asking one question: are aliens real? Back in ancient times, the Greek philosopher Aristotle believed Earth was the center of the universe and the only world that existed. But not everyone agreed. Some thinkers believed there could be many worlds, possibly with life. In the 1400s, Nicholas of Cusa suggested that the universe might contain multiple inhabited worlds. Later, Nicholas Copernicus proved that Earth orbits the Sun, changing everything. If Earth is just another planet, could other planets also have life? With the invention of the telescope, scientists discovered that the Moon has mountains and craters, just like Earth. This made people wonder, are other worlds similar too? In the 20th century, space missions began. NASA sent spacecraft like Mariner 4 to Mars. The result? No canals, no cities, just a dry, cratered planet. Today, scientists have discovered over 6,000 exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. Using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, researchers are studying their atmospheres, searching for signs of life. In 2025, a sample collected by Perseverance rover showed possible signs of ancient microbial life on Mars. But still, no confirmed aliens. So, are we alone? As writer Arthur C. Clarke once said, either we are alone or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. The search continues, and the universe still holds its secrets.